Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Surfshark for login security and device protection. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Surfshark for enhanced login security and device protection, begin by visiting the Surfshark website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page and click on it. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section to manage your settings. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. To do this, go to the Security tab within your account settings. Select the option for two-factor authentication and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be prompted to enter a phone number for verification. After entering your number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Input that code to complete the two-factor authentication setup. Now, to install the Surfshark app, return to your account dashboard. Click on the Apps section to find the download links for different devices. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system and click on the download link. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the prompts to install the app. After installation, launch the Surfshark app on your device. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you may be prompted to enter the two-factor authentication code again. Enter the code sent to your phone to ensure full access. Now you are connected and can browse securely. To further enhance your device protection, visit the settings area within the app. Look for options like Kill Switch and DNS leak protection and enable them. These features will ensure your internet connection remains secure at all times. Regularly update your app to benefit from the latest security features. Finally, always disconnect from Surfshark when you are finished using the internet to maintain top-level security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.